Good morning, students. Welcome back. We are going to start with new chapter today. I think you must have understood the lessons which we discussed before, right? We had what? We had activity time, action time. We did actions. Then there were so many activities which I told you to do. There were two boxes of vowels and consonants. I told you to pick out one alphabet from first box and pick out second alphabet from second box. I think you must have done it. And then there was activity of think and answer. Have you done a what study of those all activities? If if someone will ask you what is the first letter of your name, then you should able to tell the first letter of my name is N. The first letter of my name is L. The first letter of my name is O, U, anything it can be, yes or no? So then in last period we studied about think and answer. What did we study? Think and answer. And in think and answer, some questions were asked by teacher and answers were given by students. Correct? So what questions were asked? We will just revise it once. Teacher says, good morning, students. Then students says, good morning, teacher. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Then teacher asks, what is your name? For example, if teacher is seeing someone in the class, there are 40 students sitting in the class, and teacher asks, what is your name? Then that student will tell, sir or madam, my name is so and so. Here it is told, sir, my name is Tejal. Correct? Then next question which teacher asked Tejal is, what is the first letter of your name? Then she said, the first letter of my name is T. Tejal starts with T. Then teacher asked, what is the last letter of your name? Then she said, the last letter of my name is L. Correct? Then how many letters are there in your name? Then she said, there are 5 letters in my name. T, E, J, A, L. There are how many letters in my name? There are 5 letters in my name. Next question was asked that can you tell another word which will start with the first letter of your name? So then what example Tejal gave? Tejal said, yes, my name starts with T letter. So another example of T is tiger. Correct? In this way we studied about activity time which was conducted in the classroom in between teacher and students. Now we are going to start with new topic. The name of our topic is Let's Speak. Let's Speak means what? When we join school or when our school reopens, we get so many friends. Correct or not? Not only old friends, we get new friends. And then what we do? We go and meet them. We say them hi, hello, how are you? To old friends we say, but then for new friends what we say? We say, you are new in school, I think. In which class are you going to study? You ask like these questions, correct or not? If you are coming by bus and if there is new admission in bus, you go and ask new admission child or then new student who is there in your bus, you go and ask him, you are going to study in which class, then in which school you were studying before. Do you ask or not? And then when you ask or when you converse with each other, when you discuss or communicate with each other, you come to know each other. Correct or not? You come to know from which place does the other child has come, whether he is staying in same village or what, whether you are knowing that place or what. So you keep on discussing with each other for at least 1 week. It goes on during the school time or then during the starting of the school. So in same way, in this lesson we are going to study about welcoming friends. In this chapter we are going to study what? Welcoming friends. Now there are total 5 friends. Okay, and this all 5 friends, they have become friends afterwards. Okay, these are all 5 students. Now names I have written of those 5 students. One is Satish. Okay, first one is, he is Satish. In picture is Satish. Next one is Pramod. Okay, here is Sidhu. Next one is Pranav. Okay, and last one is Sharwari. Sharwari is a girl. There are total 4 boys and one girl. So I have written names of the students: Satish, Pramod, Sidhu, Pranav, and Sharvari. Now what these all five students are doing in the school? Now this is school, correct? This is school, and then there is a playground over there. In front of school, what is there? There is a playground. You can see here. Here it is written SCHOOL school. Now you should not get confused that this the building which is shown in the picture, it is something else. Here name is given school, and these all students are standing on the playground. And then what they are doing over there? That we are going to see. One child is with bat. Okay. Another one is with ball. So these two students are going to play. Even he is having bat in his hand. So they are going to play cricket. What they are going to play on playground? They are going to play cricket. And there is another boy, in his hand there is a ring. Correct? It is like a disc. He want to play alone, I think so. And there is a girl named Sharvari. She's not having anything, but then she has just come over there with her friends. Okay. Now we are going to study about the conversation which they are going to have among themselves. Here also backside it is given. Okay, there are 2 pages of their conversation. So first of all, I will read conversation for you. What conversation is going on? Okay. First one. Now first child. Hello everyone. Good morning. I am Satish. Next. Second child is saying, hello, I am Pramod. Third child is saying, hi, I am Sidhu. Now Sidhu is new in school, so he is telling, I am new in the school. There is a fourth child, he is saying, I am Pranav. I am also new in this school. And the last child is Sharvari. She says, I am Sharvari. Nice to meet you, my friends. Welcome to our school. Now Sharvari is old student, okay. How many students are new? There are 2 students new in that school. Sidhu is new. Sidhu and Pranav. Sidhu and Pranav. These 2 students are what? They are new students in the school. They are new students in the school. And remaining 3, Satish, Pramod and Sharvari, they are old students. They are what? They are old students. So there is discussion going between them now. What did Satish said? Satish said, good morning everyone. I am Satish. Next one was Pramod. Pramod said, hello, I am Pramod. Okay. You can even say, in picture they have just waved their hands. Okay. They are just waving their hands. First one said what? Hello. Hello everyone. Good morning. I am Satish. Second one, Pramod said, hello, I am Pramod. Next one is Sidhu. Then Sidhu is saying, hi. Sidhu is saying what? Hi, I am Sidhu. I am new in the school. So the discussion is going on now. This discussion will go only between them in one sentence or what? No. If there will be conversation in our school, that I will tell you later how you converse with each other. Okay. Then comes turn of Pranav. Pranav says, I am also new in this school. Now Sharvari is old. So Sharvari is saying, hello everyone. Hello. Hi 4 of you. My name is Sharvari. Nice to meet you all my friends. And welcome to our school. Now she is old. So what she said? Welcome to our school. Now we will see further what is given conversation or what communication they are having among themselves. Then Satish is asking, where do you live? Satish is asking whom? Satish is asking Pramod, where do you live? And Pramod says that I live near the market. Where do I live? I live near the market. There is Sidhu over there, and Sidhu says, I live next to our school. I live next to our school. Now there is Pranav over there. Pranav says that I live in Ramnagar. I live in Ramnagar. There is Sharvari then. Sharvari says that so nice. We all live nearby. We all live nearby. Okay. This is the conversation between 5 students in the school. Okay. So now we will have, now I'll give you another example. For I will take example of some students of our school. Okay, if I will take names of students from my class, now I was teaching 5th standard students. So if I will take names of students, now instead of Satish, Pramod, Sidhu, Pranav, Sharvari, we will take some other names of students. You know them very well. Okay, for example, Om Landgi, Om. Okay, next one, if I'll take Aditya, then Samarth, Suyash. Everyone knows Suyash. Yes or no? Suyash Shetty. Suyash. And I would like to take name of one girl. For example, Shravani. Now these are names of students, those who were studying in 5th standard. Now they are in 6th standard. Okay. Now I would like to start with conversation between students, and I would like to start with Om. Okay. Om will say, "Hi everyone. How are you? I'm Om." Okay. Then next one will be Aditya. Aditya will say, "Hello, I'm Aditya." Samarth. "Hi everyone. I'm Samarth and I'm new in this school." Suyash. "Hello everyone. I'm Suyash. I'm also new in the school." Shravani. "Hello everyone. Nice to meet you all, my friends, and welcome to our school." Okay. Om. Om will say, "Where do you live? Where do you all live?" So then Aditya will say, "I live near the market." Samarth. "I live nearby, or I live near the school." Next one, Suyash will say, "I live in Ramnagar." Okay. Now Suyash stays in Korale. So what Suyash can say? Suyash will say, "I live in Korale." Shravani. "So nice. We all live nearby." Have you understood? Have you understood welcoming friends? Now who has welcomed in this two examples? We have taken two examples. Okay. Who has welcomed other new students in the school? Here Sharvari has welcomed others. Correct? And in second example which I took of our school, Shravani welcomed everyone in the school. Okay. Who welcomed? Shravani welcomed others in the school. Have you understood about what is given in this lesson? Here it is told that name of lesson is only what? Let's speak. Let's speak means what? Let us come together and talk with each other. Okay. And there are 5 students over here. In this example also 5 students were there, and here also 5 students are there. In picture also I have shown you. They have come together and they are discussing about their school. They are asking each other where do they live. Correct? And they ask who is new, who is old, where do you stay. Correct? And even there are so many questions you ask each other. You ask them, if there is a new admission, then you ask new students that where were you studying before, why did you leave that school. Correct? And then what were your percentage in old school or in last class. For example, if it was 5th standard, then what was your percentage in 5th standard. These are all questions which you ask each other when you meet together, or when you come together, or when you meet each other. Okay. In this way we have studied about let's speak. What we have studied about? Let's speak. There is one question in your textbook. It is given there is, where do you live? Where do you live? What question is asked to you? Where do you live? So now today what you have to do? You have to write down name of lesson. Let's speak. Okay. And you have to write down this question in your notebook. Correct? Once you write down this question, you have to write down answer. Right? What you will write down answer? If a question is asked to me, then where do you live? Then I will write down I live in Astagaon. Okay, I live in Astagaon. In this way, one sentence answer is there. You have to complete that answer in your notebook. It is very easy. It will take only 1 or 2 minutes. So we have covered all parts of the topic. I think so you have understood. If there is any problem, you can ask me, and please complete your homework. Very less students are completing homework of English. Here, question is given here. You have to write down this question in your notebook, and you have to write down answer of this question. Okay? Fine. Thank you.